Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Modern Southern Belle. My name is Merissa and today you're watching my first clean and decorate video for Christmas. As I was putting my fall decor away, I thought it would be a great time to go ahead and declutter any items that I did not plan on using or haven't used in quite a while. Some of the items just don't go with my color scheme or even my new fall decor that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and pass those on either to a family member, friend, or even a local charity. This is the space that I'm going to be decorating today. It is the front entryway to our house and also this room, which is technically the formal dining room, but we don't use it as such. As you can see, we don't have a table in here. This is a multifunctional space for us. It is our music space, play space, workout space, and even our dance floor. But I'm so excited to go ahead and get started decorating for Christmas, so let's get to it. Since my home decor is neutral throughout the year, I still like to keep my Christmas decor neutral, but with a touch of glam, so you will see that I decorate with shades of gold, silver, white, and cream.
Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer.
I'm using Mrs. Meyer multi-surface cleaner in the scent peppermint. If you like the smell of peppermint, then this is the cleaner for you because it's like a treat for your nose as you're cleaning.
It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold.
I always use a sticky lint roller when I'm cleaning the lampshades. It works so great by pulling off any dust or hair that's on them. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried that before. I've been doing it for years and it is my go-to way for cleaning the lamps. I bought this table centerpiece from Tuesday morning last year and I'm just adding some twinkle lights to it. This vase that I'm putting on the table came from At Home this year. I just think it's so pretty. And I bought these white stems from Michael's this year.
My list, only wish. And as we decorate the tree.
I bought this Santa from Hobby Lobby many years ago. I looked at the bottom of it and the tag read 2013. So I have had it for quite a while, but I love how neutral it is and how pretty. And it is one of those pieces that will stick around for many more years. Now I'm going to move over to the piano and take down the remaining decor that I had up for fall. I'm going to dust it off and then get the Christmas decor up. I don't have any wall decor that is specific to Christmas, so I'm just adding this mirror with the silver frame to add some height and to tie in the silver and gold together. The Merry Christmas table decor is one of those pieces I bought from Hobby Lobby many years ago. The 3 white tree cones came from TJ Maxx and I found this white and gold Santa from my local vintage market, although I'm not quite sure how vintage he actually is, but he still works perfectly with my decor. The sleigh came from Hobby Lobby years ago, and I'm just adding our Christmas picture from last year. Here is my DIY project of the video. I found this Merry Christmas sign at Walmart last year. It was one of those after Christmas sales. I decided to try and spray paint it to just save some time, but as you'll see, some of the black still shows through and the white was too crisp of a white and not that creamy white that I really wanted. So I end up using my chalk paint by the brand Belle and the color fluff, and that way it is completely covered, none of the black shows through, and it really gives me the color I wanted in the first place.
I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese, put the lights.
I used to have a shorter table lamp on this dresser, but I changed it out in one of my fall clean and decorate videos for this taller lamp. I am just switching out the lampshade. This is actually the original lampshade that came with the lamp, but it has black flowers on the backside. So I just faced those towards the wall and added this gold and cream ribbon.
They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Now I'm adding the Merry Christmas sign to the wall. I think it turned out so good.
When everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special.
This Santa came from Hobby Lobby years ago, along with this gold tree. The little church came from Tuesday Morning a couple of years ago. This soldier came from At Home this year, and Thea said that was a rare soldier because of how gold he was, so we had to get him. Now I'm just adding this gold leaf garland that I found from At Home this year, and I'm going to add some twinkle lights to it so that it gives off a nice glow at night.
Stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Now we made it over to Thea's little playhouse. I'm gonna go ahead and have her jump in and clean out some stuff and straighten it up. That way I can add a cute little touch of decor to her house.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but special, cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
I'm going to go ahead and sweep up this section of the floor. That way I can add a couple more touches of Christmas decor.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
I bought this small flock Christmas tree from Home Depot last year. It came with a wooden wicker basket, but it didn't fit in with my decor, so I switched it out for this one. I found it at home. It's a lantern, but I just took the handle off and it works perfectly. After I finish sweeping the floor, I'm going to vacuum this rug. It's the rug where my dog likes to come and lay. She likes to chew on her bone here, so she pulls some of the fibers up from the carpet. And so I'm just going to trim all that off to make it look new again.
Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
Now we're going to take a final look at the space and the decor. Stick around till the end so you can see how it looks in the evening time with all the lights turned down and just those twinkling lights glowing. It looks so magical. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That way you can see future videos. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.